Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe, and this is my 2024 Honda Ridgeline. If you're new to my channel, welcome. But if you're a subscriber, there's a pretty good chance that you subscribe because of the videos on the Honda Ridgeline. And today, I want to talk to you about tires. I'm coming up on 20 months of ownership on this Ridgeline. It's been a great truck so far. But my tires are almost ready for replacement. I probably should, if we have any significant snowfall in the next month or so, I'll probably just go get new tires. We had an inch of snow the other day and they did okay, but they're ready to be replaced. I was hoping to get through the new year without spending the money, and I'll try to push it if I can through the new year. But like I said, if we have any significant snowstorm that comes up on the radar, I'm just going to go replace them because they're time. So this truck, this is a Ridgeline, gosh, what version is it? RTL version. And it came stock with Firestone Destination LE tires. They were okay. They weren't anything to write home about. I got about 32,500 miles on the truck or something like that. And like I said, if we weren't in the winter months, I could probably stretch these out a few thousand more miles. But because we're in the winter months, they're not going to cut it if we get some significant snow. So I have a couple of options that I'm considering, but I'm hoping that some of you experts out there might have some suggestions as well. So let me tell you the choices that I'm considering, and I'm hoping that you guys will drop comments down below and let me know what you think. So first up on my list is, and it's probably the number one on it's right at the top of my list right now, is the Cooper Discoverer Road and Trail AT all-terrain tire. I'm looking for something a little more aggressive, by the way. Something similar to what the Trail Sport model comes with. Not super aggressive, but a little more aggressive than the RTL model. So the Cooper tires, I went through 2 sets of those on my last truck, a Silverado, and I really, really liked those tires. But the Ridgeline is a much different riding truck than a Silverado, so it's a lot more refined. So I wonder how a more aggressive tire is going to handle on a unibody truck instead of a body on frame like the Silverado was. So, anyways, the Cooper tires are running $236.99 per tire. And it says that they have, where is the mileage on this? I don't see the mileage on this. Maybe it didn't print. I didn't print the full, yeah, I don't see the mileage. I must not have printed that page. But anyways, I think it's a 60,000 mile tire. I'm not sure what the stock tires on this are, but I'm only at like 32.5 and they're pretty close to done. So anyway, so the Cooper Destination tire is at the top of my list. The next tire on my list, and this is probably the least expensive, it looks like, are the General Grabber All-Terrain Sport tires. These are running $172 per tire, and I'm not sure what the mileage is on this one either. For some reason, I neglected to print that page. But anyways, the General Grabber, I believe I had General Grabbers on a Chevy Avalanche that I used to have. I don't recall if it was the same tire or not, but I think I did have a General Grabber on there. Next up on my list, and I think these are a popular tire for this truck, but it's the Falken Wild Peak all-terrain trail tire. These are pretty pricey. They're running $240.96. I'm getting these prices all on Tire Rack, by the way. So that's the Falken Wild Peak all-terrain trail. And then the fourth tire on my list is not an all-terrain or an aggressive tire. It's something more in line with what came on the Honda Ridgeline RTL, but I'm looking at the Michelin Defender 2. And this one's running $232.99 per tire. My gosh, tires are expensive now. But anyways, I'd be doing all 4 tires, and then I'll do a wheel alignment. And what say you guys out in the YouTube land? What do you guys think? What tires would you recommend for a Honda Ridgeline, aside from the stock tires? Because I just, like I said, they were just mediocre at best, in my opinion. So anyways, drop some comments down below. Help me make a decision in case I need to make that decision in the next week or two, because we're in New England and it's mid-December and we could get weather at the drop of a dime. You know, I could turn on the weather report right now and they could tell me we're getting 2 feet of snow tomorrow. So anyways, help me make a decision, will you? Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video. Bye-bye.